Hello everybody, welcome. We are here today at SeaWorld for a full ride POV of Mako. We have never ridden Mako before. It will be our first time ever riding it. I'm excited. I don't know what to think about it. It looks humongous. It looks very large, very fast, a little dodgy, but I hope it lives up to its name, the Mako, because the Mako is one of the fastest, if not the fastest shark in the ocean. Somebody correct my what is that, biology facts? I don't know, whatever. Anyway, it's gonna be a ton of fun. Stay tuned. It's gonna be a fast, rip-roaring ride, I hope. Stay tuned.
Please sit upright with your head against the headrest and move up.
We just got off Mako. What did you think?
I liked it a lot. It did make me a little nauseous, which roller coasters never do that to me really, unless I've ridden like 6 in a row or something.
Yeah.
But that one definitely did. I mean, it was pretty much right away after the first hill.
Except the Harry Potter Forbidden Journey. She gets sick on that too.
Yeah,
That kind of
that's not a
ride.
roller coaster.
Yeah, it's not really a roller
This is
coaster.
the actual roller coaster.
Yeah.
Roller coasters aren't normally make me sick, but this one definitely did. And I didn't like throw up, but I still feel nauseous. But I liked it way better than Icebreaker, way better.
Yeah.
I had on my earrings the whole time because I didn't realize how intense it was going to be because we had just rode Icebreaker and it wasn't at all. So, but yeah, I really liked it. I just wish I didn't feel nauseous.
Yeah, I loved it. I thought it was awesome. It was a lot faster and bigger than I thought. I mean, I knew it was fast and big. Mako, I figured, but it was pretty good. I liked it a lot. I thought it was a blast. It's definitely a must-do for me. Out of all the rides so far in the park, it's awesome. I can't wait to do it again, and there wasn't really any wait, so hopefully that holds up. But we hope you've enjoyed this full ride POV. We have lots more content. Be sure to stay tuned and tune in tomorrow for another brand new episode. Until then, the Noble Way.
Easy way.
Bye-bye, everybody.